Yo! So today we're going to discover how this Ryzen 3 3200G with RX580 RX580 perform. Yes, that's right. Don't forget I'm using 16GB of RAM. So let's find out how good it is. So before we start, I have a few tips for you to make your PC much more faster, especially when you're still using a Stone Age PC. No offense guys. And just follow this step along and this will surely make your PC 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times faster. So first you just go to the search and go to power and sleep, and here at performance and energy you just put it into the best performance, and of course it consumes a lot of energy, but it will make your game smoother. Then next step is you go to system, then system properties, then performance, go to setting and put it into adjust the best performance and click apply and OK. So that's it. Your PC will be 1,000, 1,000,000 times faster. Now we are done with the setup. Now I'm going to try 3 different games and put it into highest resolution, how well this PC will perform. So the first game is Counter-Strike, and the second game is PUBG, and last one is GTA. My gosh, GTA. Alright, so not only that, I'm going to try to do some editing in this PC, how fast this PC render a video. So let's find out.
Has been planted. Move it, move it. Smoke. Throwing fire.
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them round. It's coming at you.
Hey, cool! Dear God!
Hola.
let's go for video rendering, how well this PC can perform. So the rendering time is so bad, it took 5 minutes to render video to render a 5 minutes video. You know what I mean? So the real question is it worth it for you to build this PC? Well, it depends on how you use this PC. Let's say if you want to use this PC just to play games, it is worth it because as you can see, a lot of games you can play in higher resolution. But the problem is when you want to go further than that, especially when you want to go for live stream while playing games or do some video editing. Especially video editing, just for one video it took so long for it to render that video. To conclude, based on my opinion, this PC is not suitable for video editing or doing some live stream while playing games. Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. But it is really good when you just want to play games. And that's all from me. I really hope this video will help you guys in the future, and have a great day.